For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of using a circular saw that's more hassle than it's worth? I know I was, until I stumbled upon the Craftsman CMES510 Circular Saw. But here's what surprised me: its ability to deliver top-notch performance without breaking the bank. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you, are you struggling with a saw that keeps jamming or has a dull blade? Do you find yourself wasting precious time and energy trying to get it right? Therefore, I'm excited to share my experience with this game-changing tool. Not only is it designed for professionals, but also for DIY enthusiasts like myself. Rehook. So what makes the Craftsman CMES510 stand out from the rest? According to various reviews online, one of its standout features is its powerful 15-amp motor that can tackle even the toughest materials with ease. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a closer look at some of its specifications. The Craftsman CMES510 has a blade diameter of 7 to 1/4 inches and an adjustable bevel capacity of 50 degrees, allowing for precise cuts every time. Its lightweight design, only 8.2 pounds, makes it easy to maneuver, reducing fatigue during extended projects. Therefore, you'll be able to tackle even the most demanding tasks with confidence. Rehook. But what about accuracy? Can this saw deliver on that front as well? The Craftsman CMES510 features a rafter hook for hanging tools, an integrated carrying handle, and a convenient cord storage system, making it easy to transport and store. However, its true ace in the hole is its laser guide, which ensures accurate cuts every time. Rehook. Now let's talk about safety features. What sets this saw apart from others in the market? In addition to its powerful motor and laser guide, the Craftsman CMES510 boasts an innovative dust management system that reduces mess and keeps you safe from debris. But don't just take my word for it. According to various reviews, users have praised this feature as a game changer. Rehook. And what about durability? Can I trust this saw to last through thick and thin? The Craftsman CMES510 is built with quality in mind, featuring a durable metal housing that can withstand the rigors of heavy use. Its high-quality components ensure it will provide years of reliable service. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some user testimonials. But what I found most impressive was the overwhelmingly positive feedback from users on Amazon, with many praising its performance and durability. According to one satisfied customer, "I've had this saw for a few months now, and I can confidently say it's been a game changer for my projects. The laser guide is incredibly accurate and the dust management system is a must-have." Therefore, it's clear that this saw has earned its place as a top contender in the world of circular saws. Rehook. So what's the verdict? Should you consider the Craftsman CMES510 for your next project? For me, the answer is an absolute yes. With its impressive features, durability, and affordable price point around $70, it's an investment worth making. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the link in the description to snag this deal for yourself. In conclusion, I highly recommend the Craftsman CMES510 Circular Saw for anyone looking to upgrade their DIY game or tackle professional-level projects with confidence. With its top-notch performance and innovative features, it's an absolute steal at any price point. Therefore, what are you waiting for? Click that link in the description and get ready to take your circular saw game to new heights.